Yeah, I want to give the kids a few seconds to jump off. This one is a little bit different. While I'm waiting for the kids to jump off, I just want to say that I want to ask God as I beg for forgiveness for my imagination of fornication and my sinful ways of negativity. But hopefully the kids is gone now, because I'm going to tell you something that sex is not better than. But I consider children are some of them are way out there, no leadership, no guidance, and so they've gotten kind of far away from what the point is. But nonetheless, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But sex is not better than pimping. And before you go crazy or start to get upset, I just want to focus on maybe a couple of concepts. One concept is confidence. That particular game, those individuals have a confidence that supersedes racism, the underbelly of women. They actually have a masculine and powerful way of being in control, and they manage to dictate to other people's minds to go out from an entrepreneur standpoint and make monies for them. When the average guy who, is usually considered pimps and simps, either one or the other, and the territory of a pimp is a confident individual that's not afraid or intimidated by police violence, racism, slavery, low wages, unemployment, wearing bad clothes or whatnot, not affected by it. It's a mindset of women who usually control simps, basically almost putting their hands underneath their feet as they walk. And whether it's rain, sleet, or snow, going out and bringing monies back to this individual. Now, it can be a man or a woman that's actually a pimp. And maybe a pimp is somebody that's in the school system that has mastered the schoolwork. I heard from Mike Epps that pimp stands for put it in my pocket. So you can put knowledge in your pocket if you want to, but mostly you're talking about putting the money in your pocket. But being intelligent is how you get such a thing done, so that you can remove stress and worry and stuff like that. So, and when it comes to the sex part, the sex is inside of the pimping. So, sex is not better than pimping, because pimping has all these elements to it. It has confidence, and it doesn't have any attachments. No relationship is not a long drawn out process where two people are crying because they part ways. It's a transaction, like two people meeting up by the train station and doing a quick little dap like this, and everything is done. So it's really what it is it's kind of no emotions involved. And this world is infested with bitches that are emotional. And that's men and women alike, or whatever else. So again, I say it to, in the infamous words of Prince, and instead of fighting a war somewhere, that I'd rather be having, sex or making love to you on the couch. I'm nowhere near close to being a part of the pimpology game, or the way it was ran down, or the way it was shut down by hillbillies. But nonetheless, I give props to the ones who capitalized off of our entrepreneur behavior. Things have changed quite a bit, but nonetheless, there's still a lot of love involved, I guess, for whoever's participating. But I like to focus on the confidence part and the whole concept of the entrepreneur world of making your money. And I kind of got my own terms of using the word for customer service. So word to Chris Brown again. So shout out to some of the people I've heard. I got a chance to listen to. Shout out to Pimpin for some of the things that I've picked up just from a concept standpoint, instead of me continuously being a person who does nice things for people and they don't appreciate it. So sometimes that kind of causes a little bit of anger. And the Bible talks about being slow to anger, but anger seems to be a prevalent event when you're frustrated with people who just won't cooperate with being kind. Everybody think that they want to be that way, but they, anyway. So to make a long story short, I still love y'all no matter what. Y'all be safe.